Hello my friend and welcome to my channel. Today I've got all mixed up lacquer and this is Celtic Relic. I'll be using IMK Peel Ease as my base coat. And here is Celtic Relic. I got this from Polish Pickup last month. It was the one and only polish I picked up last month from Polish Pickup. Sorry, we got a teapot going off here in just a second. It's going to get real loud. So we're going to go in and get our first coat done. And this is a thermal. It's so pretty. Wish I'd have had this one for St. Patrick's Day. So we're going to go in with the second coat. And I love all the flakies and glitters in this one. Just so stunning. And I do love the thermal change. It goes from a light green to a dark green. Nothing crazy or anything. And then it's got that rainbow of flakies and glitters in there. It's just so yummy. So there we go. We got two coats. I am going to go in with the third coat. You can kind of see how it was doing like that light green. And then the other shade is the dark green. Oh. Getting it on there. There we go. I will be topping it with the Pro FX Quick Dry Top Coat. Gonna get it dry down and do some stamping. Gonna cap my free edge here real quick. There we go. I'll be using Dixie plates and this is DP02. I've got out my beauty scraper and my Conad stamper, I'm sorry, and I'll be using coconut from Maniology today. I'm going to use this image on a couple of nails, on my thumb and my ring finger. Beautiful pickup. Ta-da! So there we go. I'm going to clean this off on a lint roller, and then I'm going to clean that plate with some acetone and a cotton ball. And we're going to pick up that same image again and do it on the ring fingernail. Didn't get quite enough polish on that brush that time. Scrape and then pick that rascal up. There we go. Gotta get it turned around right. That's one of those peekaboo images that just lets stuff kind of peep eye through. And then I really like these leaves. They look like, I don't know, tropical leaves to me. They're just so pretty. So I'm going to use that image on a couple of nails. I'm going to use that on my pointer and my pinky fingernails. One more time. That's a pretty image though. I can see that looking good over all kinds of stuff. Go. Lost a little bit of one of those leaves, but I'm okay. And then I really liked this heart image in the middle. It was kind of made with plants or vines or something. And I thought I would use that on my middle nail. So we just went all stamping crazy today. I am going to use a piece of tape to get up this excess off of my skin around my fingers. Came up beautifully, but I am still going to go in with my cleanup brush. You know, I want it really cleaned up all the way. So once I put that top coat on, I'm done. I am going to be topping it with the smudge free top coat from Maniology today. And I really did like this thermal. I thought that was pretty cool. And I enjoyed this plate as well today. So now we're going to top everything off with Poshe top coat. Seal it all in. And there it goes. Beautiful, beautiful. So I do have two swatch photos coming up. I didn't do a Mani in motion clip, but I do have, that's when it's like lighter, and then there's with a little bit of a change. I hope you enjoyed this. I want to thank you for watching. Until next time, be good to yourself.